Lela from MzLelaPinkJourney. I want to share with you real quick how I created a quilted pillow design for pillows that I sew. So first of all, I used my baby lock machine and Embrillance in order to create the background portion for the stippling and for the satin stitch. Let me delete these middle pieces for this other design that I was working on. So I just keep this box, the outline satin stitch, and also the stippling portion for the inside outline of the pillow. Next thing I do is I go up to create wording, and I choose the actual font that I want, which I have to remember which one I use. It was designed by Juju. Here it is. It's a script font, so I'm going to use the large one for now. And the towel, the last towel and the last pillow I created was for Slim Preacher. And I think I may have to, let's see if I put that on a double line or a single line. I have to try to remember that. So this is what I did. I go to this portion of the lettering so that I can stack the actual paragraph right, and I hit return, click set, and now I have two lines to work with. And then I move my letters together. So I use the space button. Sometimes the letters are a little bit too close and you have to go back and adjust them, but these look pretty good, except the S is a little far in from what I want. If you use this button, you can move one letter, but if you use the bottom little button, you can move a bunch of letters. But I want them to touch a little bit. And it's almost perfect. There you go. Then I like to go for my stitches, and I go here to the stitch button, and I like to, let me make it a little bigger so you can see if it makes a change. See how there's space in between some of the stitches? I like to use the satin stitch density adjustment to make the satin stitches, I guess, thicker, or I'm not sure the technical word for it. And then I also use the pool compensation, I believe that's the name of this, and I make it a little thicker. So that's how I did that portion. And I'm going to actually bring the line space in just a little bit. All right, that's better. And then I will change the color. The color I had is one color in, it was a gold. It may have been harvest gold, I believe. Rich gold or harvest gold, one of them. Let's leave it at rich gold. And then I'll change these as well to can make that rich gold. But one of the things I think I did on this one, I didn't even have the full outline for my satin stitch. I only had the inside portion. So let's make that a rich gold. Go to palette so I can use my same colors. Click OK. And then I'm going to delete this outside because I didn't have that. And I just need to bring my stitches down just a little bit. And I would normally double that outline or stitch it twice, maybe double it, and let's do that now. Control C, V. So I doubled it, so now I'm going to have it twice. Move his name down last. And the other thing I did is I went and got some praying hands. A file that I purchased before, this PS. And I'll move that in there. Drop that down. You've seen me with these praying hands on a lot of different items. I need to grab the praying hands, move them over. Could have used a smaller one. I have a bunch of different sizes, but just for demonstration purposes, I'll just hold down my command key on the Mac, and now I have it, and I can just pull it over to where I want it, right about there. I wanted it to touch a little bit. That's how quick and easy it is for me to make this file. Some files are not as easy to make, but this was a quicker one. I think I'll bring this letter over just a little bit too. And then I will select all, Control G for grouping, or you can go here to select all and down here to group. Hit group, and then I can send it on over. Hit send to Solaris, although I'm sending it to a different machine, but it still sends over. And that is the file. Don't forget to name your file and keep it. Say send and send the file over, and it is ready to go. My file turned out great. I first stitched the towel. I put a knockdown stitch behind the towel design, and I sent my file over to Digitizing. I'll leave a link below. I went ahead and finished up my quilted pillow cover, and I quilted the pillow cover and sewed it from scratch. I really enjoyed doing that. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.